This was first production failure in my career.
1 Park Avenue, please.
This was not just weeks, it was months of preparation. Can you explain that logic to me? Were a lot of challenges on this job. You have 45 minutes to fix this.
I don't have a backup plan, unfortunately.
I want to cry. You guys brought that.
It was not done.
Our clients hire us is because we have a flawless execution. The ceremony was going to be ending far earlier than we expected. They could die. Hey guys, welcome to another Behind the Design with LLG Events. Today I am taking you through one of my most exclusive projects of 2025. This family is a very prominent family in real estate, and they have their own buildings here in New York. And one of their buildings is one of their crown jewels that the groom's grandfather built. And the grandfather is no longer with us, but he wanted his grandfather to be a part of the wedding day with him. This building is a commercial building. It is not a wedding venue. It is a family legacy, privately owned piece of property in New York in a very exclusive location. Therefore, there is a lot of red tape that you have to get through as the wedding planner and designer. We worked with this family for 8 months. During that time, they hired LLG and myself specifically because my expertise is full build outs. And our team came in and we had many board meetings with their entire board of directors, with their account managers and accountants and lawyers and architects. Every single facility manager within that building was a part of these conversations to ensure the successful execution of this event. The bride really wanted this very artistic floral display on all of the tables. We brought in custom linens that we created for this client. We brought in the most expensive flatware and tabletop that you can rent in the wedding industry. We brought in the most expensive chairs that you can rent, that we can create this cream neutral space for her. So when we come to the table with all these board members and all these people that we have to get these approvals, we had to get engineering sign off. And part of my job is to mitigate what the client wants, what the vendors can do and achieve within the time frame that we're given, and measure that with the budget, with the representatives, with the people that are managing the budget in this case. Day 2, we are on our way to the ceremony rehearsal and then the rehearsal dinner and then back to the production. I feel really sick right now and definitely nervous. This production started on Thursday evening. And on Thursday evening, we rolled in the carpet. Anytime you bring in a carpet, it's an overnight install automatically. So our team had to monitor the event 24/7. It is 12:37 in the morning, walking back to our production. One of the things that our team is talking through on site are the final details of how everything's going to be presented on the table, to even how the table is laid out inside of the room. Joy?
Yes.
We're going to pull the bulbs.
Okay.
They're just too bright. We do everything to scale. We build floor plans and renderings and technicals for our clients so they can visualize as best as possible the final result. So one of the things that we were talking through is the menu and how the menu is going to be laid out on the table. Send me the menu.
Okay, perfect.
Do what's going to look good.
I think this looks better than having it come off the table, honestly.
how the napkin was going to be folded between a waterfall or a pocket fold. We were debating that between our head of catering, Jose.
Yeah,
I think that's nice.
Mine,
Yes, there you go. Okay, so I think this is best. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So our production team is handling that. And we have a production team that is on site at either the synagogue, at the rehearsal dinner, at your wedding venue, and they are managing the installations of everything that you've paid for. So what are we thinking? The singer's in the front. We push this back, and I put a percussion player. That's perfect. That's great. When do the chairs come, tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh, we're not using those anymore?
Joy said we can't put them outside.
Can you explain that logic to me? You'll see a constant stream of people asking me questions. You should probably count how many questions I get in a day because it's probably thousands. The flowers that were sent were really small.
I know. I told them.
You guys brought that.
It was not done.
Who told you 3 feet, John?
No, we followed what's on the site visit because it said it's this size all the time.
Okay. Then you have the hospitality team, and they were assembling our gift boxes for the end of the night. Our client was handing out watches for everybody with their initials and their wedding date, and we had to package it and wrap it up. So what do we want to do? Just put the box in? I hate this blue box. And it rips there. I want just like a bag. Let's figure out where we can buy bags.
All right, I'll sort out.
Like, what color is the wrapping? What color is the gift box? And the box that we got was not the right size to the box that the watches came in. I'm not putting a chandelier on the table.
I think we should.
You and I are not that.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I am not leaving today. All right. Thank you.
All right, I'll leave you guys. I know you guys are.
Thank you. Heading out on my way to the rehearsal dinner. Everybody is just working hard through the night. Headed to the rehearsal dinner. We are in New York City at Temple Emmanuel on 5th Avenue. It is the most iconic synagogue in the world. Temple Emmanuel is one of, like I said, the most iconic synagogues in the world.
Oh, actually, I can see the temple from here.
You can see the temple. Oh my God, I can see the temple. That's so funny. We were very ambitious with the design and the time frames we were given. And one of the things that you're going to witness is the issue we had with the chuppah. There's a little hiccup on site, trying to work through that right now. And yeah, feeling super stressed. And we're gonna go check inside to see what's going on with our chuppah and our beautiful display. Come on in. Let's see what's going on in here. Hi team, how's it going? Oh wow, this is massive.
No, I think you're right because
This is insane.
he needs to.
Yeah, perfect. Just another. On the other side, those holes, we gotta try to cover up those holes.
Yeah. There were many things that went wrong. So this is a very hard wedding for me to relive. One of the points of failure was simply, as my team was putting weight on the ladders, the marble that is hundreds of years old was very slippery against the rubber of the ladder. Yeah, we need to be here. And the ladders were splitting and they were about to fall on this marble from being 12 feet in the air. They could die.
just come down and
Yes, come down and let's switch them out.
Let's switch the ladder.
Please, come down, let's be safe. We'll start again, we're getting rope. It is 3:30 and we are trying to get the art installation up at this time to make it look like a cloud. We'll do it again. It got to the point where I didn't even feel comfortable with the production anymore, and I cut it based off of safety, because safety is my #1 priority. We were having limitations on site that were unexpected. These were challenges that we just didn't anticipate we would have.
Okay, oh, you found the reserve.
It looked really awkward and it wasn't what we envisioned it to be. So part of my job is to find a backup that would be a suitable backup for my client. And to be honest with you, I think the backup worked out really, really well. You have 45 minutes to fix this.
I don't have a backup, unfortunately.
This side is not looking great. So I think you might want to cut that half right here.
We have 3 minutes to make this work. Continue moving these florals. We're definitely doing that. The success was that we turned around a very difficult situation with our vendor partner, and we were all on the same team to try to find common ground and to find the best solution. I'm going to show you what I want. This was a wedding I did a long time ago, but it was a very cool effect. Team, this is what I want you to do, okay? One piece here, a swag there, so it's going to come up here, swag, and then down. Yes, take a picture of that. Where you're trying to create just a very elegant, soft drape. And we just cut the original design. It is 4:20 and they have 25 minutes. Yes, diagonal. No, not straight, diagonal and then down, okay? Yeah, I actually like that better. All right, ladies, you have 5 minutes to wrap all this up. Less than 5 minutes.
Okay.
I'm taking this out. I'm taking it out. I don't like it. Right now it's 5:09. We are doing a ceremony musician sound check. My role is to oversee the entire production and check in on different points. So I'm not in one place at any given time. So I check in on the huppah, and I was at temple. I was actually at temple a lot longer than I needed to be or wanted to be because of the situation that was going on over there. Open doors. Security's here. We're doing they're doing all of the metal detectors. Everyone has to be searched. Anybody that has a big bag has to be searched. 1 Park Avenue, please. Okay, all the way down 5th. All right, now we are on our way to the next location. Every client gets an event plan inside of our own custom application. So this has all of the details for the weekend, how many events we're doing for her, timing, where the location is going to be, addresses. We have a VIP client list, which means that our team is required to memorize everyone's face, first and last name of every VIP. You can click on all of these links. For example, the production timeline, and it will take you directly to where our production timeline is in live time. By the time I got to the wedding venue, I was kind of rushing to make sure that everything was signed off by and approved by me. When I got there, I was radioed from my head of transportation and head of security that the ceremony was going to be ending far earlier than we expected.
Be advised you have guests arriving.
They're arriving right now?
Affirmative. Coming into the lobby.
Which means that we would be receiving guests probably 45 minutes earlier than the kitchen was ready for. Looks like the ceremony is going to be a lot earlier than we expected. Just about to break the glass. Guys, they're breaking the glass. That means they're going to be here earlier than we expected. Quickly. Can we start vacuuming in here? That was scary. Everybody rushing and scrambling. So if guests are coming here 45 minutes early, I have to be ready.
Guys, we have guests arriving.
You okay?
Yeah.
They're gonna come in here and do pictures. So that's why I want this area clean, clean, clean. 10 minutes out, team.
That's amazing. That is exceptional service. That's why you hire luxury hospitality, luxury event planners, because these are the things that we can do and we are prepared for. The client didn't even think about that. Like, that's my job, is to make sure there was enough food for an extended cocktail hour, which was a potential risk associated with this event. The clients were very happy. We had a phenomenal wedding. It was fun and electrifying. And then the next day, we loaded everything out. We pulled up our carpet, we rolled it out, and we were wrapped up and done. It's almost as if it never happened, and that room will never look like that again. And that's why you hire a legacy wedding planner like myself and Team LLG.
I need the music. Yeah, I like that shot.
Oh, cute, like that. Give me an update on what's going on at the lower lobby.
Lower lobby's ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube. Check us out on social media, Instagram and TikTok. And thank you for watching. That is just something that has never happened. I was just like, what the How did this happen? The bride was crying. The mother of the bride was crying. I was so scared going into this wedding day. I'm here. You do not have to worry. You're not facing this alone. I promise you, we're gonna get through it together. And we did. What do you think?
Looks amazing,
right?
Amazing, yeah.
It was one of those where I just was so exhausted.